JJ.A.C Tech Channel. HIKVISION Exir Fixed Mini Bullet Network Camera, Model, HWIB121H, Unboxing and Installation. 2.8mm fixed lens. 1920 by 1080p at 30 frames per second. Progressive scan, CMOS. H.265+, dual stream, digital WDR, 3D DNR, up to 30 meters of IR range, IP67 water resistant, 12-volt coaxial power plug and power over Ethernet support. Package contents, installation guide, mounting template, screws, and waterproof kits, HWIB121H unit. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.